My name is Donald Adams. I'm the pastor of music here at Grand Island Evangelical Free Church. I'd like to share some about the upcoming Roots and Rhythms worship conference that we will be hosting here July 29th and 30th at GI Free Church. Is your music ministry grounded in Scripture, or is it led by tradition and preference? Are the people in the music ministry being discipled? Are they demonstrating the fruits of the Spirit? Or is it simply a plug and play finding musicians, and are they being used rather than developed and invested in? The rhythms of a healthy music ministry is your week in, week out, scheduling teams, scheduling songs, leading an effective rehearsal, on-time lyrics, smooth transitions, and of course all at a volume that everyone loves. And all of these details are set to pursue excellence for obscurity, that we may exalt God, edify the saints, and evangelize the lost each time we come together and worship. This conference is built differently because it is specifically aimed at the bivocational volunteer worship leader and equally their team of musicians, singers, and tech. The features of this conference will begin Friday night with a concert, Dorothy's Dishes, all believers in Lincoln, Nebraska serving faithfully their local churches. And so Friday night is just to get together, relax, enjoy, begin connecting, fellowshipping. But the actual conference itself will all be on Saturday. The cost itself will be $25 before July 1st. It'll be $40 after that. You can register at gifree.org.